So, hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is the general of reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind, these are general readings. This might or might not resonate with you, okay? And the second thing, the roles can be reversed, okay? It might also be possible that you are feeling the thing that I'm telling that your partner is feeling, and if I'm saying you are feeling like that, might be your partner is feeling like that. Okay, it could be vice versa anytime. Okay, let's see. Scorpio, your partner's current energy right now is your partner's current energy right now is strength. Could be dealing with a Leo here, Scorpio. I feel like right now your partner is silent, completely silent. They are not talking to you, they are not saying anything to you, they are just taking a break from everything right now. They are just feeling like they should just be courageous, just act courageous, just wear a mask that they are happy without you, they can do anything without you. This is the thing that I'm getting here. Strength card. This person is right now being very silent and trying to be very courageous and start their life all over again. Okay, with courage, with silence. Silence is having a lot of power. Lot of power. If you are silent, means you are powerful. I have seen so many people that are really silent and very powerful. They are from within. Let's clarify the strength card in their current energy. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, King of Pentacles. See, this person wants to text you. This person wants to connect with you. They want to have a brand new beginning with you, leaving the past behind. They want to have a successful and brand new beginning with you, but they want the past to be in the past. Okay, and they're just healing. See, this person is just healing and they are just working on themselves, working on their healing, working on their money, working on their business, working on their overall stability in their life. This is the thing. So right now they are silent, but behind the scenes they are working on themselves, and they really want to text you, connect with you, reconnect with you, and they really want to have a brand new beginning with you, brand new start with you in their life, Scorpio. Okay, this is what is happening. Let's see what's your current energy, Scorpios. Your current energy right now is, let's see, Chariot. I don't know, I'm getting the feeling of Cancer here. So could be dealing with a Cancer. So Chariot, I feel like you are just very determined that you are going to move on. You are going to move on. You are going to move on, and you are going to be victorious in moving on. This is what I'm getting. This is the energy that you are carrying here. Very determined to move on from something, or might be someone. Let's clarify the Chariot. Justice in reverse could be dealing with the Libra and the Five of Wands and the Knight of Cups. See, I feel like you are feeling like there should be justice in this connection. There are hell lot of fights, there are hell lot of conflicts in this connection. I just want to move on from this connection. Although I love this person, although I have lots of love feelings for this person, but I'm very determined that I will move on. No matter how hard it is going to be, I will move on. I will do justice with myself. I will do justice with my feelings. I will do justice with my life, because this relationship is not going anywhere. It's causing problems and problems and problems for you, and you are carrying lots of love for this person. You are still having lots of love for this person, but you are right now trying to move on, trying your best to move on from this situation, Scorpio. And Scorpios are very sensitive people, very sensitive people. It's very difficult for them to move on from something. I understand deeply. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. King of Wands, they're still very passionate about you, still having lots of, still carrying lots of passion for you. So this person is still very passionate about you. Might be you guys had a very intense sexual chemistry between you guys, and this person is still in that zone of I love this person. I want this person in my bed right now. Yeah, they're highly attracted towards you, highly passionate for you. I don't feel like they feel like they should let you go anywhere. Let's clarify the King of Wands. It's not all about sex, it's about the passion, about the intimacy, about the touch, about the physical intimacy most of the times, the emotional intimacy that they get from you. Okay, they feel intimate, they feel passionate about you, still very passionate about you. Clarifying the King of Wands and their feelings for you. The Emperor could be dealing with an Aries, a Tower, okay, and the Five of Cups. See, Although they are very very passionate about you, they are they are very heartbroken, completely heartbroken. They are grieving the loss. They are grieving the loss. So I feel like they are taking some kind of they took some kind of decision that they want to break up with you. Okay, although they are very very passionate about you, but I'm getting the story that they were the one who took the decision that they want to separate with you. They want to separate their ways from you because this is not working out. And after this fallout, they are deeply missing you, very very depressed, very very sad, not being able to sleep even, missing you constantly 24 into 7. And they are just grieving the loss. They are crying over you. They're crying over you, missing you very badly, not being able to sleep, not being able to do anything in their life. Normal routine is getting very, very, difficult for them to do. This is the thing that I'm getting here. Yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Lovers could be dealing with a Gemini. This person wants this relationship back. See, I've told you, this person is highly passionate about you. What this person wants from you is a connection, a physical connection, I can say. If you guys were in a physical relationship with each other and were not committed to each other, this person wants this connection back as it was in the past. So, this person is highly attracted towards you. It's just they're not able to decide whether they want you in that way or not. In that way, by that way, I mean to say in committed or in a marriage way or not. But yeah, this person wants you back in their life and they want to have a brand new beginning with you, but it is mostly sexual, physical. Let's clarify the lovers. It's kind of temptation. They're tempted to you. They're tempted to you, to your body, to your feelings. Hmm? Something, there's something that is highly attractive about you, and they are not able to, let you go. The devil. See, this person is addicted to you. King of Swords and the Six of Cups. Now I'm getting that this person is highly addicted to you. This is the lovers, this is the devil. This person is highly attracted to you, very very passionate about you, obsessive about you, possessive about you. And they are just concealing their feelings, concealing and hiding, trying to hide their feelings from you. For some of you, this person is just hiding their feelings from you, that they miss you, they love you, they have lots of feelings for you. But for some of you, I'm getting that this person is very, very clear about their intentions, that all they want from this connection is the past thing. Whatever you guys had in the past, might be you guys had a very, very intense chemistry or sexual chemistry. This person just wants that back, the chemistry back, the physical relationship back, the codependency back. This is what they want. Yeah. It is kind of toxicity. It is kind of toxic. I can feel that while reading. Also I'm getting like this is kind of toxic relationship, toxic energy. I don't know why I'm getting it, but I got to tell you the truth, right? Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of August. Okay. Three of Pentacles. I feel like you guys are going to reconnect. I feel like you guys are going to reconnect, and you both of you are going to put in the effort, put in the energy from your respective sides to make this connection work out. This is the Three of Pentacles, or this might also be possible that there is a third party situation here. Let me clarify here. Because the Lovers is here, the Devil is here, now the Three of Pentacles is here. I feel like there might be some kind of third party situation here for some of you. Obviously, not for not all of you. Let's clarify. Nine of Swords, Three of Wands, Judgment. So I feel now I'm getting that this person is leaving somebody else and they want forgiveness from you and they want to give rebirth to this connection. So for most of you, I feel like this person right now is very, very stressed, anxious, and not being able to sleep because this person is turning their back towards you, turning back their back towards this connection. But deep down, this person wants forgiveness from your side. This person wants you to forgive them, and this person wants a forgiveness from your side as well. And they want to restart this connection. They want to have a reconciliation in this connection. And I feel like there's a strong third party situation here, either from your side or from their side. So one of you is ready to leave the other party and just be with you, just be with them or in this connection. Yeah. And for others of you, I feel like this person is very stressed because they left you or because you left them, and they just want to reconcile with you after the forgiveness thing is happening. Yeah, this is the story that I'm getting here. And I feel like you guys are going to reconciliate with each other, and you guys are going to put in equal effort and put in equal energy from both the sides. I don't feel like it is going towards a love or commitment zone, but yes, this is going towards a friendship zone at least. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here, Scorpio. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you in the next video soon. God bless you. Namaste.